I'm Mike with Manufactured Housing Consultants. We're located out here in New Braunfels. So today I'm going to show you this house called The Cook. It's a 3-2 with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, gorgeous layout. So if you look over here to this say, this house is meant for very compact lots. People who have, spatial issues, they don't want to cut down those big nice trees down here. So over here, this is the side of the house. And then if you come on this way, I'll show you the front of the house. So as you can see right here, these hitches, these can be flipped and pushed back up under the house, so you won't see those. You'll only see this nice front door. This front door has modern handles. Very nice. You go in, boom, straight to the living room right here. This is the true front of the house. And look how narrow this house is, guys. Gorgeous. Alrighty guys, so here we're on the side of the house. This is also another entry point. You can have your garage right here, enter through this side of the house as well. So right here we have our faucet, outdoor faucet right here. As well as your drainage pipes right here. And then we're gonna head on down this way. Right here is where your washer and dryer, this is your dryer exhaust right here. Fully covered, nice, solid, completely sealed as well. And then you come down here with your outdoor plug-in. If you have a grill, a light, a radio, whatever you'd like to have out here, guys. Alrighty, guys, let's head on in and check out this beautiful 3-2. Alrighty, guys, so here I'm in the living room, aka access right here through the front door. So as you step into the living room, you'll notice right up above me, vents in the ceiling, guys. Very nice, very modern. Then right here, you can also install your ceiling fan. It's optional if you want to have a ceiling fan in this room or not. And then as well, you'll see all the recess cans placed all throughout this living room to light up the space and give it that beautiful home feel. And then over here on this wall, it's a full paneled wall right here. Adds a nice finish to the living room. And then right here this way, you can see all the outlets. You have your cable box plug-in right here, as well as your TV plug-in right here. And then these walls, they have 2x4s behind them. You can also mount up to like a 65-inch TV to maybe even 80, depending on what you want in your living room, guys. Alrighty. And then over here, as you can see, this window is kind of covered, but with this model home in particular, these windows are energy efficient. They keep the power in your house and keep the money in your pocket, guys. Alrighty, guys, and we heading this way. We're over here in the living room. Check this out. Boom, swivel nozzle sink, guys. You want to spray the kids or the dog or the cat on the counter. So this home comes with upgraded Samsung appliances, all under a 1-year warranty as well. And then I know you can see the beautiful white background over here. Well, we have this beautiful gray to complement that white background. The cabinets on this side are going to be this nice dark gray. Also with a light plug right here for your convenience. Alright guys, so you can see these beautiful cabinets right here. Boom. Solid wood, guys. These are not going to break. They're going to be able to de-slam. Boom. Nice. Your kids cannot break these. So we have this beautiful white over here that complements this nice gray on this side next to this island. These cabinets are really easy to clean. They have a very nice satin finish on them. And then as well over here, we have a Samsung dishwasher, guys. This thing is like almost $2,000 by itself. Can't beat this, brand new. Alrighty guys, as well in this kitchen, we have our upgraded appliances. We have an upgraded exhaust fan. This is a chef's exhaust fan. Very awesome, very nice, stainless steel finish. Gets all the smoke and whatever you're cooking all the way out your house. As well, if you look down, we have a convection countertop right here, stainless steel finish as well. The kitchen gives you plenty of outlets to plug in all your appliances right here. And then as well, on this side, you have your lighting. These quick, easy access switch lights. Soft to the touch, very nice. So we have this nice dining room area right here. Gives you plenty of space to have sit downs and making memories with your kids, guys. A lot of space in there. All right, guys, so we're heading back this way. In this area, as soon as you come in through the side door, guys, right here you have a beautiful coffee bar. You can put your Keurig up here, whatever coffee maker you want to have up here as well. If you're not a coffee drinker, you can also use this as a wine storage rack up top as well. Plenty of space in the bottom, lots of cabinets right here. These cabinets are fully finished as well with these nice modern handles that complement the white. Boom, boom. And then as we head on this way, guys, so if you're like me, you got to do house repairs sometimes. Yeah, it's understandable. So right here, you got your air conditioning unit, your HVAC unit, as well as your water heater right here. And then over here in this area, we have, you can put a little coffee table or a desk right here. You know, whatever you want to have in this corner. It has a plug-in for your work desk. As well, right here, you have access to this awesome system that Clayton provides. So this is your smart home system. You can manage the AC, the heater, all from your phone. Alrighty, guys. As you come through this way, this door I talked about right here on this is your side access door, guys. So right here to my left, we have your beautiful coffee bar / wine rack, depending on what you like to do. And then to my right over here, we have your laundry room, as well as your electrical panel on the back wall of the laundry room as well. Alrighty, guys, as we head to the back half of the house, guys, this is where you're gonna spend your most time. We have our master bedroom right here to our left, and then we have 2 guest bedrooms to our right, as well as a guest bathroom. Each room has their own closet as well, and they also have their own window in each room. Alrighty, guys, so this brings us to the last part of the home. We're out here in the master bedroom, guys. Tons of space. I'm a big dude. I'm pretty comfortable in here. So you have your walk-in closet right here as well. A lot of room in the walk-in closet. Boom, boom. Nice. And then check out these 2 big windows Looking right out here. You can overlook your property with your cows, dogs, whatever you want to have outside, and even children's swing sets. And then as well, over here, you can install another ceiling fan in this room as well. And then you also see those vents in the ceiling over here as well, and recessed cans. So this is the master bathroom, guys. You have two his and her sinks, porcelain sinks, very nice finish on them. And then a lot of cabinet space right here. Curling irons, toothbrushes, dude wipes, whatever you want to put in here, there's space for it, guys. Alrighty, guys, we're coming over here to check out this nice two-person shower. There's a lot of space in here. Alrighty, guys, so that concludes our tour. This house is located here in New Braunfels, Texas. If you come, you see the big red sign, Manufacturing Housing Consultants. I'm Mike Hernandez, guys. Come check out this beautiful 3-2 cook.